What teacher wouldn't want a standing desk in their classroom? Each year, educators are challenged to find the perfect seating arrangements to accommodate each of their students' needs. But those standing desks come with a hefty price tag. Hi, I'm Jen from Make Your School Awesome, and today we are going to build standing desks on a budget. Number 1, stack 2 of your Progresso cans, lining the 2 with your Gorilla Glue, creating a strong bond. Yes, glue those bad boys together. Make sure both cans are facing upright. Number 2, let the glue dry for 60 seconds. Number 3, pre-cut 4 pieces of wrapping paper. Each piece should be approximately 6 by 10 inches. Number 4, once the cans are dry, carefully wrap each cylinder with your decorative paper of choice. Number 5, repeat the steps 3 more times until you have a total of 4 leg extenders for your desks.
Thanks for watching.